In this video, we will talk about how to fix no audio device installed Windows 10. Method 1. Run Audio Troubleshooter. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Click on Update and Security. On the left side, select Troubleshoot. Then, Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Playing Audio, then run the troubleshooter. Method 2. Reinstall Audio Driver. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device. Select Uninstall Device and uninstall the driver. Then click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 3. Restart Windows Audio Services. Click in Search. Type Services and select Run as Administrator. Here, you have to search 3 services: Windows Audio, Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, and Remote Procedure Call. You have to make sure they're running and set to automatic. Then right-click on each services one by one and restart it. To change the startup type, right-click on the services not running. Select Properties. Change the startup type to automatic. Click on Start, then Apply and OK. After running the services, click on Windows icon and restart your computer. So that's how you can fix no audio device installed Windows 10. See you in the next video.